Upgrade your toolkit with the DEWALT 45-piece screwdriver bit set, featuring a tough case for easy storage and a variety of high-speed steel bits for all your screwdriving needs. Perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this set is designed for durability and versatility. Introducing the DEWALT screwdriver bit set with tough case, 45-piece, DW2166. Are you a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or someone who just enjoys having reliable tools at home? If so, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the DEWALT 45-piece screwdriver bit set with tough case, DW2166, the ultimate companion for all your screwdriving and drilling needs. Why choose DEWALT? DEWALT is synonymous with durability, precision, and reliability. This 45-piece bit set reflects these values, providing you with a versatile range of high-speed steel bits that meet the demands of any project. Whether you're assembling furniture, repairing appliances, or tackling home improvement projects, this set has you covered. Key features: innovative storage solution. The connectable accessory storage system allows you to optimize space. The patented bit bar design ensures easy removal and customizable placement of bits, making it a breeze to find what you need without fumbling around. Clear visibility. The clear lid lets you quickly check the contents at a glance, saving you time and effort. No more guesswork, know exactly which bit to grab. Secure and compact. With a sturdy clip latch, you can be sure your bits are safe and secure during transport. The small bulk storage size is ideal for on-the-go projects and fits perfectly inside the DEWALT ToughCase Plus system. Versatile pieces. The set includes various bit types and lengths, including 55mm double-ended bits, 88mm power bits, nutsetters, and more, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of tasks. Durability guaranteed. Made from high-speed steel, these bits are designed to withstand the toughest jobs without losing their edge. You'll find the finish to be both durable and attractive, ensuring your tools look as good as they perform. Trusted by thousands. With over 84,000 reviews and an impressive 4.8 out of 5-star rating, it's no wonder this set is Amazon's choice in screwdriver bit sets. Customers appreciate the reliability, quality, and versatility that DEWALT brings to the table. Your next project starts here. Whether you're a pro or a DIY novice, the DEWALT 45-piece screwdriver bit set with tough case is designed to make your life easier. Don't settle for less, get the set that combines innovation, durability, and flexibility. Get yours today. To order your set today and elevate your toolbox to the next level. DEWALT is ready to help you tackle any task, big or small. Now you're equipped with a compelling product introduction script for the DEWALT 45-piece screwdriver bit set. It emphasizes key features, user benefits, and the credibility of the DEWALT brand, providing a comprehensive overview that should engage your audience.